What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get each emblem in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So here are the first three emblems that we will talk about. The Pikachu Genetic Apex Emblem, the Mewtwo Genetic Apex Emblem, and the Charizard Genetic Apex Emblem. So you probably saw these three emblems in your emblem shop. And these are the only three emblems at the moment that you can acquire using Genetic Apex Emblem tickets. So right now, if you go to your shop and go under the Emblems tab, you would be able to see these three emblems available for purchase. And each one of these three emblems costs 100 Genetic Apex Emblem tickets. If you would like to know how to get more emblem tickets, I will leave a link in the upper right corner of this video, and also at the end of this video. So let's continue. Next up is the Moltres, Zapdos and Articuno emblem. So all we know at the moment is that this emblem will be acquirable by a mission. But we don't know which mission yet, because it's not yet introduced. Also, this marks just the start of emblem missions. So in the future, they will release a lot more emblems that you can acquire just simply by doing missions. So yeah, at the moment, we don't know what mission you need to do to acquire this emblem, because the emblem itself is not yet fully released. But in future updates, we can expect for that mission to appear. Now, next up in the emblems list are the emblems from Genetic Apex event. So these are the 4 event emblems. So these will be available for limited time only while the event is active. And let's now start from the easiest to the hardest emblem to acquire. So the first emblem from the Genetic Apex event is the Participation emblem. And you simply get this emblem by just winning one of the event battles. Next up is the Genetic Apex Bronze emblem. And you get this emblem by winning 5 event battles. Next up in order is a Genetic Apex Silver emblem. So you get the Silver emblem by simply winning 25 genetic battles. And the same goes for the last Genetic Apex Golden emblem. You get this Golden emblem by winning 45 battles in the Genetic Apex event. So at the moment, those are all the emblems that Pokemon TCG Pocket has introduced, and all the ways that you can acquire each one of them. If you would like to know how to get more emblem tickets to acquire the first 3 emblems that you can purchase, you can watch this video right here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.